All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna give it a shot. Again, man, rest in peace, Sister Christine. Um, I just got out of my live chat and I decided to do a reaction to the song Songbird. This is a live performance uploaded like 14 years ago. But again, hopefully everything can go smoothly with this. If not, just please go to the link in the pinned comment. All right, I will have my full reaction there. um but like I said, man, gone but not forgotten. Such a beautiful voice. uh like when I listen to that song everywhere, for it to be showcased like that. So I'm excited to check this out. Thanks for all the love and support, man. So we ain't gonna waste no more time. Let's jump right into it. And she's playing.
For you, there'll be no more crying. For you,
Wow.
the sun will be shining, because I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright.
It's crazy. Like, for those of you who know this song, I think someone said in the live chat that this was on. I don't know if I can't remember it, if I've heard it before or not. You guys said it might have been on that album. I'm not sure. I don't remember it, but what I'm saying is I know it's different. It has a different ring to it now that she's gone. Listening to these lyrics, man.
Because I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. To you, I'll give the world. To you, I'll never be cold, because I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright.
It's a beautiful song, man.
I know it's right. And the songbirds are singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before.
To know that she wasn't the lead singer, that voice, man.
And I wish you all the love in the world. Oh, but most of all, I wish it from myself. And the songbirds keep singing like they knew the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. Like never before. Thank you and God bless everybody. Good night. Like never before.
So is that pretty much how her solo projects are, just her and the piano. But I never seen nobody say thank you like that and then continue to sing the song. It's normally after, but just to know that she wasn't like the lead singer in the band, like it's crazy because her voice is so. I'm trying to think who she sounds like. A mixture of people, but it's very calming, you know, like this song in general. But her voice is very soothing, man. Um, but like I said, I know this song is going to hit a little different now that she's gone. But I'm just trying to pay my respect, man. Just let me live a little, YouTube. You know, just let the video stay up, y'all. Come on, man. But again, I don't know where y'all watching this. But wherever you are, thank you for coming over. But like I said, man, this song, the lyrics, the voice, the piano playing, just whenever like you hear how quiet, you can hear a pin, needle, whatever they say, you could hear it dropping there because everybody just seemed like they were just, I don't know what she played before this, but everybody for this song, everybody just seemed at ease and just chilling, man. Thinking about life, love, and happiness, you know. Could you think about the title Songbird? You know, it's just, this was beautiful, beautiful. I know somebody's probably gonna sing this at her funeral. I can almost guarantee that, because this seemed like one of those type songs, you know. But again, appreciate y'all coming over. Again, rest in peace, Sister Christine. Peace out.